So my coworker came in today asking if I could help with his car. He scratched the front corner of it on his dad's vehicle, and he's in a little bit of a budget. So we don't have a lot of materials, we don't have a lot of time, so we'll see what we can do. Okay, and we're done. It only took like a couple hours. You guys can see there, this was the fix up, this was the old paint, so I mean colors matched fairly even there. I did a soft tape line along this way, can't really see it, so I'm pretty happy about that. Now I'm getting free lunch. Fuck yeah, this is out in the sunlight. You guys can see there's not really a tape line or anything. I mean, you can kind of tell there's a little bit of a transition, not very much. Yeah, very happy with that. Sounds good, Josh.